If you're planning to buy a projector this year, stop scrolling because this video is about to save some serious research time. 5 impressive projectors are lined up today, each built for something different, so watching till the end will make it obvious which one actually fits home, gaming, or movie nights best. All product links are tagged right below for easy buying. Don't forget to hit subscribe. All right, let's get started. Number 5. Dangi MP Max, a true 4K laser projector built to make big screen nights actually work even with the lights on. Under the hood sits a hybrid triple laser plus LED engine pushing out 3100 ISO lumens, backed by 110% BT 2020 color coverage and accuracy tight enough to land under 1 delta E, so whatever's on screen looks the way it's meant to look, not washed out or off-tone. Setup barely takes effort either, since Instant Pro AI handles autofocus, auto keystone correction, screen fit, and obstacle avoidance entirely on its own, while ambient light gets read in real time, so brightness adjusts without anyone touching a setting. The body itself rotates a full 360 degrees horizontally and tilts up to 135 degrees on a built-in stand, so a shelf, table, or tripod all work without hunting for extra mounts. Sound comes from dual 12-watt speakers paired with a 750cc acoustic chamber and bass reflex tuning that reaches down to 45 Hz, running through Dolby Audio and DTS:X for something closer to a proper theater feel. Google TV brings Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and thousands of other apps straight to the screen, with voice control and easy casting from a phone or laptop, all wired up through HDMI 2.1 eARC, USB, Bluetooth 5.2, and Wi-Fi 6. And that's just scratching the surface of what this thing can actually do. Number 4. XGIMI Horizon Ultra, a 4K projector built around Dolby Vision that pulls whoever's watching straight into that deep theatrical picture. A dual light setup blends LED and laser together, giving accurate color, serious brightness, and a color range most projectors don't even attempt. At 2300 ISO lumens, daylight shows and late-night movie nights under the stars both look sharp, no washed-out moments. Then Intelligent Screen Adaptation 3.0 reads wall color, corrects the screen, zooms in without losing quality, and eases up on eye strain over long sessions. Android TV rounds it out with endless shows, movies, and gaming. And that's really just the beginning. Number 3. BenQ GV50, a compact projector made for movie nights wherever they happen, whether that's camping outside, traveling, or just lying in bed watching something on the ceiling. The base tilts 2 ways, going up to 135 degrees vertically with a full 360-degree rotation, so bedside ceiling projection or outdoor setups both line up without hassle. Autofocus paired with auto 2D keystone and rotation keeps every image perfectly squared without any fiddling, which also makes it a solid pick for gaming sessions. Built-in Google TV brings Netflix and Google Assistant along, plus AirPlay and Chromecast support for casting from pretty much any device. A laser light source pushes 500 ANSI lumens with 98% Rec 709 color coverage, so colors stay vivid and accurate despite the small size. Sound comes from a 270-degree 18-watt Bluetooth speaker setup, dual 5-watt tweeters, and an 8-watt woofer adding real bass in such a tiny frame. Now here's the part that really stands out. Number 2. Samsung Premier 5. A projector that turns any flat surface into something touchable, playable, and genuinely fun to use. Once the touch stand connects, a counter, desk, or dining table becomes an interactive screen, letting a finger tap around, navigate apps, or move pieces in a puzzle game like it's second nature. Triple laser technology drives the picture, with separate red, green, and blue lasers landing pinpoint color accuracy and a color gamut of 154% DCI-P3, opening up more than 1 billion colors for true-to-life movie nights at home. ultra-short throw design means the whole unit sits close to the wall while still throwing images up to 100 inches, so arranging a room doesn't come with any real compromise. Smart features round things out too, with SmartThings, Samsung TV Plus, free live channels, gaming, and a far-field voice assistant all built right in. And that 100-inch screen alone turns any room into something close to a theater. Number 1. TCL C1, a smart Google TV projector that basically replaces every streaming stick sitting behind a regular television. Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Hulu, and HBO, and thousands more apps load straight from Google Play, with Google Assistant handling voice control for a proper smart home feel. Dolby Audio runs through an 8-watt speaker, staying under 30 decibels so fan noise never creeps into quiet scenes. Picture-wise, Immersa-Color Tech, native 1080p, HDR10, and 4K compatibility come together with 230 ISO lumens, which actually outmatches a lot of inflated ANSI numbers other brands throw around. A 285-degree rotatable handle stand, plus autofocus, auto keystone, obstacle avoidance, and auto screen sizing make setup nearly instant anywhere, indoors or out. 5G Wi-Fi keeps streaming smooth, and bidirectional Bluetooth 5.1 even turns the unit into a speaker for a phone. A sealed optical engine and 30,000-hour lamp life mean almost zero maintenance, and a standard quarter-inch mount plus HDMI 2.1 and USB ports make it fit nearly any setup imaginable. And that's really just where the story starts.